Me personally, I think her personality makes her beautiful, and the way she generally acts, and sometimes how they dress, really. So, yeah.
All right.
Just however she wants to look, doing the things she wants to do that makes her feel beautiful.
I think what makes a girl beautiful is, it's partial looks and partial personality. It's not all about looks, but it's the best looking girl with a crappy personality is not beautiful, I think.
Honestly, you have to have a good personality. How you act is important than how you look. So.
Probably her personality. That's the most important thing to look for. It's not really what they look like on the outside, but it's how they act with you, and towards you compared to other people.
Their makeup.
In my mind is personality and how we treat other people and how the kindness is. Yeah.
I think a good heart and someone who's nice to everyone.
That's a great question. I think self-respect probably is good.
I think her personality, because if she really blooms in her personality, it makes her feel more comfortable, and it makes people around her feel comfortable and happy and feel luminous all the time.
If she's caring and has a good personality.
Her personality.
Her personality.
When she shows her interviews and that she has her friends around her and helps her through tough times.
Her personality.
In my mind, what makes a girl beautiful is what's inside, what their character is, and how nice they are to you.
Personality, and not so much what's on the outside, but how she acts on the inside, how she shows her appreciation, and just like I said, personality. That's the main thing. I don't really care about looks or anything. It's just, if I'm going to treat her right, as long as she treats me right.
Someone who's nice and who is nice to everybody and is not mean.
Her personality. Her personality.
I think what makes a girl beautiful is when you can tell that she's living for something other than the day-to-day. Whether it's religion, whether it's a hobby, a sport or something. It's just when you can tell that a girl is aspiring to something greater than herself and her problems, I think that's beautiful.